Oh my goodness, I have some snow dogs. It really... Hi! Woo! Two snow dogs. Two snow dogs. Yes, hi. We got snowed in last night. It is November 30th, and we got dumped on. Like, oh my goodness. Everything is covered. Here's some snowblowers, some trucks. I have to get the front of the house because our driveway is full. But if you look at this, you can see we got quite a bit of snow. So we have some work ahead of us today shoveling. I have, my big dog is still out there. She's in the bottom there. I can hardly see her. So, yep, this is my morning here. I'm gonna walk through here, try to get this picture of the outside. Alright, here we go. Bear with me. Here it is. And salt truck just went by dumping salt. It is really cold and snowy out today. It is, but I want to show, like, our driveway has so many big clumps of snow at the edge. There's our van that's covered. And then it is beautiful. It is beautiful. I do love the snow. I really do. I love the snow. But this is one of those rare occasions where you get so much snow. Let me clean this off. That everything is just like a Christmas card. It's beautiful. And there we have it, November 30th. We did have snow in my previous video. The first snow, we got a decent amount to start out with. That was it a week or 2 weeks ago? And I'd have to look at the date. And here comes another salt truck. So, you know, we're used to it here in Michigan. They plow and they salt. It's not great for your cars, but, you know, you can see the snow is definitely here today. All right. That gives you an idea. Oh, I hear someone snowplow outside.
Why are you so nosy?
You can hear it. Yeah, Dad's going out. Yeah, my husband is going to have a little bit of work to do today. All right, well, anyway, November 30th, we have our
First technically big snow.
we have some of our Christmas stuff already up. We are ready for Christmas. Can you plug in the Christmas tree, Mads? I think it's so appropriate with all the snow. Put us in the mood today. There we go. All right. Happy November 30th, everyone. Have a great day.